Hello, my dear students. Here we are with the next page of the chapter, that is third level. Okay, like these two pages left only. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband because Charlie was looking different from the others. Okay, and just he figured the fare. He just counted the money and he glanced at my fancy headband and he just glanced me to say, look. But he figured the fare. Okay, he just figured the fare. But I had enough for two coach tickets, one way only, and I was having this much amount only. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me. Staring mean to say घूरना. Okay, वो मुझे घूर रहा था. Look continuously. He nodded at the bills. Nodded mean to say ऐसे ऐसे गर्दन हिलाना. That's it, not money, mister, he said. और वो कहता कि ये तो मनी नहीं है. And if you are trying to skin means cheat. If you are trying to cheat me, you won't get very far. तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया ये तो. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. And he just glanced again. He just looked at the cash drawer. Okay. Beside him, जो कि उसके पास था. Of course, the money was old style bills. Half again as big as the money we use nowadays. कि I think in the movies also we have seen कि notes were very much bigger than we are using today. Okay. They were just of old style bills, and in previous time they all were like of a very just big in size. Nowadays we are using very short notes, no? That is, and different looking. I turned away and got out fast. I turned away, मैं वहाँ से गया और तेज चलने लगा. There's a nothing nice about jail even in 1894. Even there was nothing about the jail, and that was that. और यही था. I left the same way I came. I suppose. I just think कि that is the same way that I came from. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank, and I just take $300 from the bank. Nearly all we had. Nearly all the money I was having, only this one, and bought old style currency. That really worried my psychiatrist friend. That really worried my psychiatrist friend Sam also. You can buy old money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. It was just easy. Nowadays also, if we want to purchase the old currency, we can purchase. If we want the currency from the any other state, we can also purchase that one also. Okay, this is very much easiest thing, but I did not care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894, and you can imagine the rate of currency was. For today it is what it is. For today, for past, it's going to be very much high cost. Okay, but I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Central Station. But what happened with me? I never found that corridor. Never. I was not able to find that corridor. Which corridor? That one corridor that I entered in the third level Grand Central. Although I have tried often enough. I have tried also. Lisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and did not want me to look for the third level anymore. And she also advised me, don't look for it, don't search the third level. There is no third level. And after a while, while I stopped, when I stopped, I went back to my stamps. I was having the habit of the stamp collection. But now we are both looking. Every weekend we were just looking, because now we have proof that the third level is still there, because now we were having the proof. Okay, sometime what happens with us, the things those does not exist in this world, we think that they are in the world, but in real they are not. That is just illusion of ourselves. Okay, illusion from our side. Okay. And my friend Sam Weiner disappeared. My friend Sam गायब हो चुका था. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam's a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. Because I tell him about the Galesburg. I went to school there. I was going school there. And he always said he liked the sound of the place. Yeah, I like the sound of the place. Which sound is coming? I like that sound. And that's where he is. Alright. In 1894. Where he reached? In 1894. Because one night, fuzzing with my stamp collection, I found. Well, do you know what a first day cover is? I told you earlier also. First day cover. When a stamp is issued, okay, like it is written also, when a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale. And postmark proves the date that it was issued on the this date. The envelope is called a first day cover. With this, that envelope is called first day cover. They are never opened. They are never opened. If I myself have, if I have mailed something to me only, how? Why will I open? Why I will open? Because I know I have only mail. Okay, you just put blank paper in the envelope. Okay. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that should not have been there. One that must not be there, that I found. But there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. That someone mailed to my grandfather in the mail Galesburg. That's what the address on the envelope said. How I get to know that? This was just sent to my grandfather, and it had been there since July 18, 1894. Because of the date I got to know that this was mailed to my grandfather. The postmark showed that, yet I did not remember it at all. I'm not so much sure about it. The stamp was a 6 cent, dull brown, with a picture of President Garfield. Naturally, when the envelope came to granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there. And we also, if I also told you earlier also, if I will just do the mail on my own address to me only, why should I open? And the same happened with the grandfather of Charlie. It went right into his collection and stayed there till I took it out and opened it. The paper inside was not blank. Usually, what we do, we just put the blank paper in it, but this time the paper was not blank. What was there? It read like there was a letter. Okay, there was a, wait a minute. A letter was in it, like 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, July 18, 1894. Charlie. Charlie was written. I got to wish that you were right. तुम सही थे. ये सच है. Then I got to believing you were right. तुम सही में सच थे. And Charlie, it's true. ये सच है. I found the third level. मैंने तीसरा लेवल ढूंढ लिया. I have been here 2 weeks and right now down the street at the Delhi's someone is playing a piano. They are all about on the front porch singing Sing Nally Home. Okay, कि बिल्कुल सही, इस समय जो है गली में कोई पियानो बजा रहा है, वो सब मिलकर गा रहे हैं. ओके, एंड I am invited over for lemonade. Lemonade, do you know what is the meaning of lemonade? A drink made by lemon and soda. That is lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. तुम आ जाओ. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believing me. Believe me. ये बहुत बढ़िया है. तुम यहाँ आ जाओ. The note is signed by Sam. At the stamp and the coin store, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. That Sam bought $800, वो भी पुरानी करेंसी के. Okay, that ought to seem him in a nice little hay feed and grain business. Hay mean to say ढेर. Okay, खाने के लिए और गेहूं का बिजनेस करने के लिए बहुत थे उसके लिए पैसे. He always said that's what he really wished he could do. वो वही कहता था जो वो उम्मीद करता था कि वो कर पाएगा. And he certainly can't go back to his old business. He can't go back to his old business. Not in the Galesburg, Illinois in 1894. His old business? Why? Sam was my psychiatrist. Because who was Sam? My psychiatrist friend. And this was all about the first chapter, that is the third level. And we have just completed Flamingos first and second chapter, Vistas first chapter, and poetry also the first one. Now we will discuss about the next thing in our next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.